Okay, first of all, let me say, um, this is an amateur mistake. uh, I made a video about all this, and then I noticed that my audio wasn't recording. So, yeah, I've seen all of it. So the first impressions are gone, but I'm going to be very honest about all of this. Um, so let's get into it. I'm still excited to unbox these again, and I hope you guys are too. Roll the intro. So first of all, I want to thank Speedcubeshop for sending me this awesome welcome package. And I want to thank you guys, my followers, for the ongoing support. If you like my videos and want to support me any further, keep in mind you can use discount code BSB5 at Speedcubeshop, which helps to support my channel and my Instagram account. Yeah, much appreciated. Thank you, Speedcubeshop, and thank you, my followers, for the ongoing support. Let's check out what I got. So the first things I want to show you guys are these yeah, amazing mini mats. This one has a basic font, which I like. I really like this, and a smaller Speedcubeshop logo on it with half a cube. I like the minimalistic design on this very much, as well as the little orange details, which reminds me a bit of cracked lava, something like that. Yeah, it reminds me of this. I can be wrong, but yeah, that's my feel about it or opinion. So this one is a distorted logo, also minimalistic, but it has these little spots on them. I don't know if you can see it this good on camera. Yeah, so black. And this one is a very bright mini mat. I like it because of the old school logo. And I'm here with lava again. It reminds me of a lava lamp. So like the random flow on it, the bubbles, and so on. Let me know in the comments below which of these you like the most and why, because yeah, I'm always eager to know what you guys think of it. So yeah, leave it in the comments. Okay, so next up we have these drawstring bags to protect your cubes from getting dust. I always use these when I go on trips to prevent them from being scratched or getting dusty. And this one is very special, like you've seen. And like you already noticed, Jperm, yeah, man, this dude is awesome. I want to congratulate Jperm for reaching 1 million subscribers. This is so cool for seeing Jperm put in all the hard work and reaching that 1 million subscribers. Man, if he posted that video when he hit 1 million, I honestly cheered up as well seeing his reaction. So congratulations again. You're a total legend. Thank you for all your awesome tutorials. I'm going to put a link to his channel as well, so you can check him out if you haven't seen him yet. Man, what am I saying? 1 million subscribers. You've seen him. Okay, next. This is the white Speedcubeshop Cosmic logo. These bags are all felt. The regular Speedcubeshop with the black. Speedcubeshop with an astronaut. This is a quite cute astronaut if you ask me. Yeah, so cool. So the Cosmic logo again, but in black. Then the Speedcubeshop logo with the astronaut again, and then the regular Speedcubeshop logo. Okay, so next up is moyu WR M 2020. Like I said in the beginning, I already unboxed this, but my audio wasn't recording, so this isn't my first impressions, but this cube is customized by Speedcubeshop themselves, so they've set up the cube They've put in a custom cosmic lube in it, a PVC coating on this cube, which is really cool. It is very shiny and resistant to scratches, as well as they've put clear stickers on this. So I'm going to show you. So custom lubrication and tensioning. The magnetization is still factory. And yeah, they left a little note, but let us know if you like the setup. So quite cool. You can choose what setup you want, what lubrication you want, or you can let Speedcubeshop know, hey, do your custom setting on this and setup on this how you like it. That's also an option. So quite cool. This is my first custom cube. As you can see, I don't know if it's going to be very visible on camera, but you have clear stickers on it. So you have the old school stickered feel to a stickerless cube. Maybe I was skeptic at the beginning, but I quite like the feel of it. So yeah. Turning the cube, I immediately noticed that it's very controllable out of the box, which if you compare it to a regular WRM, out of the box, the regular WRM is too fast for me and like loud and too clacky. And with the Speedcubeshop setup, it's quite controllable and plush. It got a plush feeling to the cube, so that's a plus for me. They've put the spring compression on a quite high setting, which I normally don't do on my cubes, but when I turned it out of the box, I wasn't noticing it had such a high compression to the spring. So yeah, I'm going to explore that on other cubes as well. I like the control on the cube. So it is now on setting 5, so 5 clicks. That's quite high for my standards. I'm going to explore all the like the higher spring tensions. So let me just solve a hand scramble real quick. Okay, focus. And talking doesn't help much either. So okay, that's quite all right by me. And yeah, it's cool that someone else sets up your cube because everyone sets their cube up differently. I compare it a bit to I don't know, a bad habit or something, but if you like the feel of a cube, like I say, I like my cubes like loose and fast. But if I'm being really honest, I like a controllable cube, a more controllable cube, more with my time solves, because yeah, you don't have lockups as much. Check corner cutting. So yeah, corner cutting. The tensioning is done by Speedcubeshop. Corner cutting is going to be amazing. Like you see, it's up to standards with other cubes. Okay, so this is the ultimate lube bundle I got. This is the Cosmic Lube bundle. I'll put a link in the description. So you have the Lunar, Comet, Galaxy, Cosmos, Nebula, Martian. I've heard many great things of Martian, and Stardust. I'm not going to go in detail in this video about them. I'm going to first check them out, test them on some cubes, see what I like. If you have recommendations, let me know. I'll surely test it out. What I also got is this PVC solution, and I had to look it up, but it's like a cleaner for the stickers that are on the cube. This is a kind of a like coating which prevents the cube from getting scratched, but like I said, it's a sticker, so like dirt is going to get up to the edge of it. And this is a cleaning solution for that. I forgot to mention, you get an accessories box like the standard one if you order WRM 2020. What you get in this are all spare parts. If you break something, which isn't going to occur by normal use of the cube, but let's say you break something, you always have spares. Next up to show you are these neat cube stands. You have a clear one with the Speedcubeshop logo, Speedcubeshop, and the original logo. The white cube stand which states Unicube, Nova, and then the Speedcubeshop Cosmic logo. Now for the main event, man, this is quite awesome for me because maybe you've seen it already, but I've made a few mosaics with some dollar store cubes, which were mini cubes, but they turned very awful, which resulted in painful fingers and so on. And I must admit, when Gan announced this, my heart was racing. I knew they were going to be great cubes. These are mini cubes and you can make mosaics with them. So yeah, let's open it up. So you have a pamphlet, and on the back it stated inner plate magnetic connection. Oh, you can buy some of these and they connect with magnets. Let me show you. I don't know if I'm going to get it properly out of the box. Whew, it's quite tight in there. I'm sorry, I'm going to turn this around. I'm maybe going to regret this. I'm regretting this already. Oh man, what was I thinking? Yeah, turn it around, it will go well. But no cubes were harmed during this process. So yeah, all is fine. Oh. Yeah, let's put this back together. Phew! Safe to say no cubes were lost during the process. I'm going to say don't try what I did at home. These cubes are quite sturdy feeling, but yeah, like I said previously, always be gentle with your cubes. I had a mini heart attack when the cubes fell, so yeah, be careful in general. Nothing happened. I was quite lucky. Let's review this cube. So like you see, it's quite tiny, but it turns quite well. It's a bit flimsy, but hey, what do you expect of a mini cube? Does it have a bit of corner cutting? Dun, dun, dun. A little bit. A tiny bit. But hey, those are mini cubes. They turn very well. Like I said, my previous mini cubes of a dollar store brand were awful to turn. These turn easily, like you see. I noticed as well, you have in each center or in each square, you have a number. So I'm guessing Gan will come out with an app or something, which you can design mosaics, and then they'll. I'm guessing you can upload a picture or a design, and then they'll say on which number the cube is going to look and how you're going to get it. So yeah, expect me to do lots of short videos mosaic designs I did myself. Currently I'm using on Excel with the same grid as this, so I can design my own mosaics mostly based on an image. It's quite tedious work because I have to click manually on the squares and fill them in, but yeah, it gets the job done. If you have any tips for this mosaic noob like me, I feel like I've said this many times in this video, but leave it in the comments below. Any tips are welcome. Um, any advice is welcome, so thank you a lot. Okay, so this was it for the video. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. If you want to use my discount code BSP5 at Speedcubeshop, feel free to do so. I'll put a link in the description of this video where you can check out all the things that were visible in this video. Thank you guys for watching. Belgian Speedcuber out.